Hey everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of jumpstart you into your underwriting within the MFA-ADVANCED underwriting model. The chances are you've downloaded the model, you're looking at the same screen I'm looking at now, and you're thinking to yourself, there are a lot of tabs. And I understand that could be very overwhelming, so I just wanted to give you this video to kind of get you started in the process. So if you haven't already done so, I highly recommend adding the MFA as a trusted source. This will prevent all macro warnings that you get from either downloading the file or opening the file. So we'll go ahead and get started with the underwriting process tab. This tab is intended to be a quick overview of all the underwriting tasks that need to happen on the left. I have corresponding video tutorials here. And then every section has underwriting aids. These correspond with all the other tabs in the model. And then I have corresponding videos for all the underwriting aids. You can watch a video tutorial on this screen here. Let's go into the underwriting model. This model is still one-page underwriting. You can underwrite an entire deal in this tab. So this is the most important tab that you should be concerned with. Every other tab in this workbook is there to support your underwriting process as it relates to the data in this tab. So we will go ahead and expand everything out. The way I have this broken out, you can see video tutorials above each section. Those link to videos that explain exactly how to perform the steps within each section. But just follow the sections one by one, starting with property information, put in your purchase assumptions, your exit assumptions, your debt structure, your deal structure, and renovations assumptions. And from there, you could jump right into a quick underwriting by inputting all the data here. Watch the video by clicking on this link to learn more. If you like what you see from the quick underwriting, you can then proceed to every section below it. Every section that has an underwriting aid associated to it, I have underwriting aids underneath each section with links to those tabs. Every tab has a video on how to perform the analysis. So that is pretty much it. Take it one section at a time, watch the videos that correspond to those sections if you need help, and reach out if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.